Hello everyone, this is Mahnoor Imran from Synergy Technical, your go-to Microsoft partner. Today we're going to be showing you something really easy and something very simple and what all the buzz is about, which is how to build your own Copilot agent under 5 minutes without, zero code and zero stress. So we're going to go through that build for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. And we're going to hit create, and then we're going to go to new agent. We're going to use the simplest interface that there is, which is a chat interface right here that you see to create our custom Copilot to help answer any basic, troubleshooting questions people have. So first it's going to ask you, what type of agent you want to build. So we're going to put in these instructions in here, and we're going to put that in, and we're going to tell it we want a basic troubleshooting assistant. If it can answer, if it cannot answer the questions or cannot find the answers, please contact Contoso support email. So as you can see to the right, you'll see these basic questions that are populated just with the one prompt. Next, it's going to ask us if the name for the agent it has, if we like that or we want to change it. So we're going to go ahead and say that we like that name, and it's going to change this agent to IT troubleshooter in just a second. So it's really going to ask you just questions. So it's like ordering off a menu, telling, Copilot exactly what you want. Next, it's going to ask us to refine the agent and what types of, troubleshooting we'll be doing. So we'll answer with basic ones: email delivery issues, VPNs failing, Outlook is crashing, Teams is not syncing. So these kind of issues is what the agent's going to help with. As you can see to the right, it changed all these sample questions. And these are just simple. So, if a person comes in and their emails are not being delivered, it's just one click and the prompt is already there. Next, we want to add a knowledge source. So you can do that from here. You can do that from configure, but we're going to do it from create. So we're going to hit create, and it's going to show you the main interface of Copilot Studio where you can do all the magic. So what you can do is you're gonna see that the chat interface already inputted a lot of this information for us. So it already put the description in, and it'll also populate the instructions, but this is a place where you will be able to add the knowledge. We're going to go ahead and add knowledge. It's going to be through SharePoint. So we're going to hit SharePoint, browse items, and from there you'll see all your SharePoint sites. We'll hit IT, documents, and the IT assistant. We want everything within that document library. While that's getting added, let me show you what the library looks like. So it's just a bunch of PDF documents with just troubleshooting guides on how you can, troubleshoot each issue. Of course, yours can be as detailed as you want it to be, just for the sake of this demo. And we wanted to keep it simple and show you how quick you can build a really good agent. Next, you can also, if you want the knowledge to be something outside of the web as well, and not just your knowledge source, you can enable this web search, but we're going to have it disabled because we only wanted to look at our knowledge source. So we're going to now test it. And this is where you can have all the fun. So if you don't like the response, you can, tighten the guardrails. If you think it's too formal, you can tell it to be more casual. You can tell it to be more friendly, whatever the case is for your agent. So as you can see, I said my VPN is not connecting. It says, please follow these steps and troubleshoot your VPN connection. And it gives you these steps. To the left, it shows you the reference sources, and it shows you what the query is and the response that it gave back. Next, you can say, my Outlook is crashing, and it's going to go ahead and give you troubleshooting steps again. As you also saw, we also had that point in where it says if you are not able to find anything in the documentation, say that please contact Contoso for support. So we're going to test that capability out as well, and we're going to say, my laptop broke. And so I have put nothing in the knowledge source about laptops breaking or screens cracking or any hardware issues like that. So what it should do is it should go into the knowledge source and come back with the response. I cannot help you with that. Please contact support@contoso.com. And that's exactly what it did. And this is exactly what we wanted it to do. So, and it shows you that it searched over that whole document library and it couldn't find anything, and then it came out with this answer. So again, this is something that we had put in the instructions. As you can see, it's right here. If a user asks anything outside of this scope, please respond with, I'm not able to assist with this issue. If you had this web enabled, it would probably go out and search the web for that issue and give you troubleshooting steps. But again, that's really all up to you with what you want it to be. So as you can see, real quick, under 5 minutes, we build this agent that can help us troubleshoot these things without a single line of code. We can take this a step further and also have the Copilot agent actually automate the process of escalating that ticket to HR, the IT help desk, and they can go ahead and then resolve that issue from there. But again, that would be a more advanced type of agent. And if your team or you're looking for someone to build that for you, we do that at Synergy Technical. We also do governance, readiness assessments, and trainings. So if that's something that we can help you with, please feel free to reach out to us. And if you have any content ideas that we should do to help you out, please feel free to adopt those in the comment section below so we can get started on those. Thank you for watching.